This is a whole new method. It's so unusual that just a few people are aware of this innovative way to make money online. The objective of today's video is to encourage people to think about themselves in their own best interests, as well as to help you achieve your goals and earn your first few $100s online. I'll tell you right now that there's a lot of money to be made here, and the sky's the limit. Consider the financial and geographic independence you'll have if you succeed. You might even be able to pay off some debt. I'll walk you through every step in this step-by-step video, and everything is entirely free and requires no investment. You can access it from anywhere in the world. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now let's get back to the video. First, go to youtube.com and search for motivational videos. You'll find a bunch of results posted by other people that have gotten millions of views. Now, before you jump to any conclusions, let me just say that you won't have to create your own videos here, and this method won't require you to have a camera or a YouTube channel. However, I do want to show you this best kept secret on how to make big bucks. There are millions more views since there are so many people looking for this type of info. So first, I want you to go to youtube.com and choose 3 different videos from the search results. Next, I want you to go to uii.com and earn PayPal money when people happen to click on your link. This concept is actually fairly easy. All you have to do is create a free account. You'll simply need to shorten your link, which I'll show you how to do in a second, and when people click on it, you'll be paid in PayPal money. This is exactly how people from all over the world are getting paid real money every single day. You'll be paid per click, and depending on who clicks on your link, you'll be paid different amounts of money. For example, when people from Australia click on your link, you'll get paid $6. Likewise, you'll be paid $5 if people from Norway click on your link. You can see all the different rates right here on their website. Now, let me go over it again. They have the same concept, which is to shorten your link and get people to click on your link, and then you get paid again and again. That's our strategy. So go to YouTube, find 3 different videos. From there, we'll just have to click on the share button and copy the video link, but instead of sharing this video link, we're gonna go to uii.io to shorten it. Now, the challenge is, how do you persuade folks to really click? So I've got this copy and paste script all written out for you, and you can just use it whenever you need to convince people to click on the link that you sent them. The title of the script is Motivate Yourself in a Way You've Never Done Before, and here's the full script right here. You can just copy and paste it and you're done. Now, let me show you how to sign up for a free account here. All you have to do is click on this button to sign up for free, and it'll take you to this page where you can register. Type in your username, email address, and password, and once you've logged into your brand new account, you'll see all of this. You can see how many clicks you're getting and how much money you're making. Of course, if you're looking into a brand new account, you'll see 0 right here. And that's because we haven't shortened any links yet and gotten people to click on them yet. Now, I'd like to show you this exact example while using a brand new account, so that if you're watching right now, you can copy everything exactly that I'm showing and start earning PayPal money. All you have to do now is click on the button that says a new shortened link. That'll open up this window as you can see below. Now go back to YouTube and select the first video that you want to share. Click on the share button and copy the YouTube URL link. I'll just type the one that inspires me, and then click the start button, which as you can see will automatically help us shorten this YouTube link. This is a special uii.io shortened link, and whenever people click on it, they'll be taken to YouTube and begin watching this video, and you'll be paid per click. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now all you have to do is copy the shortened link right here and return to our copy and paste script. Scroll down to the section and paste the script. Now we'll just have to repeat the process by moving on to the second column and then inserting the second link and so on. With this strategy, the more links we put up, the more money we'll make. Now when you have all of the links in order, go to File, then download and save this document as a PDF on your computer so you can start using it and posting it on this last website that I'll be discussing. Now we're on the final step, which is to get a lot of people clicking on your shortened link and getting a lot of free traffic. So just go to slideshare.net where people upload documents and things like slideshows to get a lot of free traffic. I've pulled up an example of a document and a slide that people upload to slideshare.com. You can join up for a free account here by clicking on the sign up button right at the top, which will lead you to this page where you can sign up for a free account. From there, just click the upload button up top and it'll take you to this page where you can upload a file, which is a PDF file right here on slideshare.net. SlideShare has over 70 million monthly visitors and many people come to this website looking to learn something new, so this is a perfect place for you to share this document for free where other people can read it for free. If they want to learn more, they can click on your link and start watching the video you linked them to. It's a win-win situation because you get to share this video with other people while also getting paid per click. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.